So how did this happen? What in my life would have happened for me to be looking like this? Well, it all started when I tried making potato wedges on Lion Premium Grills. So obviously, happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm pretty sure everyone supports it in one way or another because, you know, the color green, money, love it. So basically, you know, it's all about Ireland. So last year I made baked potatoes on Lion Premium Grills. That was fine. And then this year now I'm gonna grill some potato wedges on Lion Premium Grills. How you're gonna wanna do it is you're gonna wanna get a potato. Then you're gonna wanna wash off the potato to make sure that there's no viruses, no diseases of any sort, obviously. Next up, you're gonna wanna cut your potato into 6 little pieces. I ended up doing 7, but how I cut it is I cut it in half and then I would cut the 2 halves into 3s each. Next up is you're gonna wanna brush some olive oil on them. Now, is this gonna make them taste better? Is this gonna make them grill better? For sure. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna put some olive oil on it. You sure are. Next up, you're gonna wanna make them taste even better. So you're gonna do salt and pepper, but I chose Lori's seasoning because it's got them both, I'm pretty sure, and it just tastes so fantastic. It's time you go to your grill. You wanna preheat it to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. How fantastic. Next up, you're gonna wanna put them on the grill, obviously. You're gonna wanna put them in a diagonal just so that they have like little marks on them, just to know that, you know, you cooked them nice and well. And then you gotta wait 5 minutes for them to actually, you know, grill correctly on that side. So while I was waiting, you know, I was out there looking for some 4-leaf clovers, hoping I could make a wish or something, but as it turns out, I couldn't find many, you know? And I bet I would have been able to find it if I didn't have to go back to the grill to change the order of the potatoes. You know, Lion Premium Grills are great. And you know what else is great? The grates. Usually on the higher part of the grates, it's a little bit hotter so that it grills faster. So you're gonna wanna shift them around every so often just to make sure that the grill marks are evenly distributed between them all. And then once the 5 minutes are done, you just wanna go back to the grill and flip the sides so that, you know, you can get them grilled on both sides, make them look good no matter which way you look at them, make them so delicious. So then I was just waiting there patiently because I was done looking for 4-leaf clovers, and then I started to consider myself, I wasn't wearing green. So you better bet that I got pinched so hard I started to see the first wrinkles on my skin. It was, after a couple more minutes, I had to switch them over again. I ended up moving them to the side that had the skin on them because, you know, evenly distributed on all sides, I don't care. And then, hoping not to get pinched again, I started looking out again and I ended up finding a real leprechaun. Oh my gosh, that's a real leprechaun right there. Now I don't want to be a loser still not wearing green, so I had to make sure to, you know, look the part. So that's how this happened. It's just, the potatoes are done, you know, so we might as well get them off. We have about 7 nicely grilled potato wedges or steak fries, whatever your preference is. Now let's go ahead and taste them, shall we? Now here we are. Now it's time to try my potatoes. But, you know, I'm kind of caught them in person, but I did read that leprechaun's blood is made of ketchup. Now let's give these Irish delicacies a little try. You know, some people like their fries extra crispy, but these are like charred crispy. You've never had one of these before. You got the deep fried ones, but those are like, that's long gone. Everyone's gotta be trying the barbecue ones now. So I would say that, you know, French fries are a little unhealthy. These are definitely a healthier option, but you wanna know what the healthiest option is? Eat them plain. It's just plain and simple. But to be honest, these are really good, and I would suggest making them. You know, making potato fries wedges, really perfect to make, but only on Lion Premium Grills. I'd like to thank you, and I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day.